Alright guys, quick tutorial on how to replace your broken iPhone 7 camera lens. So first of all, we are going to carefully scrape off our broken lens and making sure that the broken pieces doesn't fall into the camera because it might scratch it. After successfully removing the broken lens, we are going to clean up the adhesive as clean as we can. I'm just scraping it off with my tool. Now depending on where you get your replacement lens, it might come with adhesive which like the one I am using here. I'm just gonna put it in place and push it gently and ensure it is sticking to the housing. And that's it. Thanks for watching.